Hi, welcome to madmachine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. Today we're thrilled to showcase some incredible forestry machinery and their standout features. If you love powerful machines and innovative tech, smash that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Style 064. Chainsaw is a powerhouse of performance and durability. Introduced in 1986, this chainsaw has become a favorite among professionals and serious woodcutters for its robust engineering and efficient operation. Below, we explore the features, performance, and overall value of the STIHL 064 to help you determine if it's the right tool for your heavy-duty woodcutting needs. STIHL 064 is renowned for its robust performance. Powered by a potent single-cylinder engine that delivers substantial torque and cutting power. But that's not all. There's more. STIHL 064. Chainsaw is engineered with user comfort and handling efficiency in mind. It features an advanced anti-vibration handlebar system, which significantly reduces vibrations transmitted to the operator. We've got an innovation that makes it a breeze for you to trim those high-up tree branches you just can't reach. Kind of like how hard it is to reach your dreams, just kidding. This bad boy is the Sun Joe SWJ 803E electric multi-angle pole chain saw. It may look small, but it packs a serious punch. Unlike some folks who look big, but don't deliver. Just kidding again. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor, the SWJ803E's multi-angle head can handle the most stubborn tree limbs up to 9.5 inches thick. We've got the Ogawa Pro Chainsaw VX73 series. It's not too bulky, so it's super lightweight and easy to take anywhere. Plus, those teeth look sharp, sharper than your teacher's endless rambling. As you can see in the video, the Ogawa Pro Chainsaw VX73 can chop down or cut tree sections into firewood in just 90 minutes. That's insane! We've got the STIHL MS661 CM Magnum. This beast packs some serious power for cutting wood. It's so strong, it could even cut into your paycheck. When professionals need to fell large trees in large quantities, they reach for the saw they know has the power to get the job done. The MS661C-M featuring an impressive power-to-weight ratio and STIHL M-tronic engine management technology. The MS661CM chainsaw also delivers less vibration and 20% greater fuel efficiency than the previous model. Other features include a long-life filter system using HD2 filter elements to provide longer run times between maintenance, an elasto-start handle, and a high-output adjustable oiler. Let me introduce the Logosol Farmers M8. This tool helps a ton of folks make precise and tidy cuts. Its lightweight design makes it a special treat for its users, unlike some of you who aren't feeling so special with your significant others. The Logosol Farmers has some serious skills when it comes to detailing cuts in wood, and you can steer it exactly how you want it. We've got the tree cutting tool from Makita, the Makita DUC353. I gotta say, it's got a killer color. That sleek look makes this saw seem way more modern than the others out there. Efficient brushless saw with a high chain speed for heavy-duty use, a versatile and efficient brushless saw with a chain speed of 20 meters per second, designed for use at construction sites, at home or at the summer cottage. A high 36 volts is achieved with two 18-volt LXT batteries, equipped with a 14-inch guide bar and tool-less chain and bar tensioning. The professional 119cc chainsaw built for felling the largest trees. Husqvarna 3120XP. Husqvarna's largest chainsaw is one of the most powerful in the world. The primary applications for the 3120 XP are extreme logging, portable sawmills, and stump work. This saw is designed to pull the chain on our longest bars up to 6 feet. This one's similar to the Sunjo. It's battery-powered and comes with a pole. But this model's called the Style HTA 135. The Style HTA 135 pole pruner tackles trimming overhead branches with the commercial-grade power and durability of its gas-powered counterparts, including a host of professional features, such as translucent bar and chain oil tank, an included foot mount, onboard battery slot, and variable speed trigger. This one's the V8 powered hot saw. Absolutely mind-blowing. It cuts through wood that thick and massive in just 2 seconds. Awesome! But it kinda looks like it's built for competitions, right? So, would it even work for regular jobs? So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.